On the previous video, we designed this, we call this file, Testbench file. I added some comments, so this is good practice to do that. In future time, you know what you have done. Now let's simulate this one on the ModelSim. So one of the way to do is to go to your tools and check it. If you have your edit EDA tools options. So you must make sure in your case, mine I'm use Questa is the new version, but in your 18.1 you will see it's ModelSim. So make sure this path is on, but with ModelSim. So now let's try to RTL Simulation. So our ModelSim will open up. So now this is our ModelSim. So, but you see this Questa, but it's just the same. You will go to compile and recompile, and you go back to your folder, basic logic, and mark those two files because this is our model, and that's the testbench file that we're gonna simulate. And trim compile. So everything has been compiled successfully. We're gonna go to work and simulate. And then we're gonna see our model that we have written, the instantiation model 1. And then go to add wave all item in the region. Now you see all your inputs and output signal will be imported into the waveform. Now here you can just click here to toggle leaf name so you can see the names properly. So you see here we have our inputs A and B and our outputs. Both of them are 1 bit. Now let's check to the simulation length. We can go and just write to change to nanosecond. So and try to simulate all of it. Now here you click no. So you see, you can see we simulated until the finish time is 200 nanoseconds. We can go and zoom our simulation. You can see it's round up to 200 nanoseconds, and we can see that we get the result that we have gotten in the wave simulation or that we have done previously. So you can see that we have both inputs A and B, all combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And this clearly you can see this is XOR, input, and OR. So you can see that we have all of this here, the same. And then you can see here on the display, on the transcript, we have all the display for all the combination, but we don't have 0, 0. This one we don't have it, but from here we have it. 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1. So now if for example if you want to have the 0, 0, 2, you can just put it. So we can basically go back to our to our file here and try to change it. So the thing that it doesn't show 0, 0 is because that we are not capturing it on the display. So one way to do it, just to copy this one if you want to have it, and just put it there and save it. Now when you save it, you don't need to do analysis and thesis again. You can just go back to your simulation and go to library and go to your testbench file and click update and recompile and restart and run it all again. No. Now you can see we have 0 0. So now you can just for verification, you can see that we have 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1. So you can see this one is input, which is the y one. It's correspond to y. This is y, and this one is or, which is the z one, same as z, and the last one is XOR, which one is x. So this transcript is useful sometime if you want to just look at if you have for generate some reports, or if you want to test for if you have the original answer. So this is how you can create a test bench file and simulate it on ModelSim for basic functions.